Wanting to learn how to make the City BBQ banana pudding recipe? Making banana bread is the ideal dessert when you require something sweet. However, there are many variations available for banana bread recipes that chefs can alter to satisfy any flavor profile or hankering. The number of calories in one serving of homemade banana pudding depends upon the recipe found at City BBQ. Bananas, vanilla wafers, pudding, whipped cream, and caramel are the components of this dessert. Put a layer of vanilla wafers at the bottom of the dish that will hold the trifle. Let's check out the real banana pudding recipe. Ingredients: unsweetened whole milk 2 cups, sweetened condensed milk 14 ounces, pre-prepared pudding or pudding mix 5 ounces, cream cheese 3 cups, granulated sugar 3 tablespoons, vanilla extract 3 teaspoons, vanilla wafer cookies 1 cup or 16 ounce, bananas 5 pc, sliced. City BBQ banana pudding recipe. In a large bowl, combine the chilled milk and the sweetened condensed milk, and then whisk the mixture together. After adding the vanilla pudding, mix it thoroughly until there are no more lumps. Refrigerate for 5 minutes or until set. Whip the cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla until smooth form using an electric mixer, then set the mixture aside. The cream should have some firmness, but you must be careful not to overwhip it, or it may separate into curds. Mix softened cream cheese and the pudding by folding them together. Begin assembling your dessert. You can use whatever bowl or casserole dish you like for this, but a trifle dish gives it the best presentation. Put a layer of vanilla wafers covering the bottom, then pour 1/4 of the pudding on top of that. Add 1 more layer of cookies, then another layer of banana slices, and then 1 more layer of pudding. Repeat the process until all of the pudding has been absorbed. For a straightforward and visually appealing presentation, you can alternate rows of cookies and bananas pressed up against the bowl's rim. Whip up an additional cup of cream, pour it on top of the bananas, and finish it by crumbling cookies or adding a few banana slices. Allow it to chill in the refrigerator for 3 hours to thoroughly set, but feel free to consume it immediately if you can't wait. Like, subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon for the most accurate and reliable information and reviews about the Smoker Grill BBQ.